am Zoltan. You will hear Zoltan speak. Be not afraid, Zoltan has taken control of this video broadcast.
Okay, so camera doesn't work the way I figured it did, but so this is a mailbox that has a bad bottom on it. The bottom broke off. You know, it's like supposed to be 13 inches, so I've got this piece of plywood here I'm going to cut into it. But this is a great big mailbox, and I'm fixing to repair it. Wow, that really zooms in, doesn't it? Yeah, it's got a bunch of rust on it, and we're going to do a little work on it here. And I'm going to pause, and I'm going to cut this bottom so that I'll have it to fit. So hold on. Okay, so we're back at it, and this is the box. Got to get this piece out of here because I need to get in there. So I'm gonna get a hammer real quick. Get this piece out of here. Flipper. Okay, so I sanded most of it down with this thing. Couple spots on there. I'm gonna prime it, but I have a couple stickers on here I don't like. Oh, my back. Okay, so I'm gonna take off a couple of these stickers there. Mailbox when you don't have an airbrush. Go down, get these stickers and put them on there. Sand that out of there. You know, Ace Hardware or wherever, get you a couple stickers. These guys had somehow painted after they had these stickers on there. So they painted it a lot bigger, you know what I mean? painted on there is big too. Well, it might be about that big. Okay. Yeah, you kind of want to get a flat surface. I mean, you know. So I'm going to paint it black, and you see what it is right now. So I'm going to paint it black if I have enough spray can here. I don't know if I have enough to do the whole thing. I'm definitely going to try and hit this top area where the rust was, because this is Rust-Oleum anti-rust primer. So I'm trying to hit this a little bit. Yeah, that's looking good. Go around the side. Shoot, I might just use this instead of doing the red. I don't know. Well, if it'll make it. I don't know if it's going to make it over the whole thing. You sure got this side though. Whatever, if I only got a little bit of paint, I'll just do a little bit, you know. I don't know if you can still see this on the camera. You can still see it, or should I move it? I'll move it up a little bit for you. There you go. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just trying to spray this in here. This 103. I mean, it's not that hard. You can go back and retouch it. You have fun with it, bro. It's your own dang mailbox. Do what you want with it. Okay? Now, this is doing the work for somebody else. I mean, you'd probably just buy a new mailbox, you know what I mean? But this is an oldie, so, and I've run out. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other paint. I'm gonna pause it, and I'm gonna get the other paint. We're gonna get to work on the airbrushing here in a second. All right, well, I could go check the mail. What in the hell? It's a rain snowing out here. I haven't seen this much snow in Alabama. I had to go to the mailbox though. Blustery. I just want to have this on tape.